Hi everyone. Backed by an experience of 1000 plus explainer videos, we'll reveal how the explainer video production process works. Explainer video production is the same for each set of explainer videos. Let's look at the steps that are included and understand what is explainer video production procedure. The process of explainer video production is determined by the type of explainer video your product or service demands. What are the types of explainer videos or marketing videos? 1. 2D animated explainer video. 2. News person explainer video. 3. 3D graphical explainer video. 4. Ads with models or celebs. 5. Kinetic typography explainer video. 6. Motion graphics explainer video. 7. Whiteboard animated explainer video. In this video, we will reveal what are the steps involved in a 2D animated explainer video production. 2D animated explainer video production procedure includes 5 main steps. What is explainer video production's 5-step procedure? 1. Client meeting. 2. Explainer video script. 3. Storyboard. 4. Animation. 5. Voice-over and background music. So now, go out and get an explainer video created of your own from www.design@writerswagon.com/video.